What about your hobbies, Naz?
Hmm, my hobby is sketching वगैरह, writing, sketching and writing.
Oh, wow.
My hobbies are. I didn't listen you. Please tell again, Naz. Your hobbies stitching and
Sketching and etc.
Sketching,
oh, it's a
Sketching,
sketching. I
writing,
got it is stitching.
sketching,
Hmm,
paintings.
painting.
Yeah.
okay.
How many family members in your home?
My family member.
How many, Azra? It's how many family members do you have in your home?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
How many family members do you have in your home?
Hmm.
My family members is nine.
Naz, please try
Loud.
to be a bit louder. Please try to be a bit louder.
हाँ, बोलना कैसे है स्टार्टिंग में?
Yeah,
I have.
you.
I
I
have,
have. I have.
Yes.
I have my family members is nine. Nine.
I have 9 family members in
No,
my
no, no.
home.
I have nine members
Nine
in my
members
family.
in my home.
I
Sorry.
have nine
Okay.
members in my.
Family.
Hmm.
Okay.
अच्छा ये कैसे बोलेंगे कि उनमें कौन कौन है?
इतना सा-
Who are they? Who are they?
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah, Nas, please explain who are they because you have really very means a large number of members in your family. So explain them.
Hmm.
कितने थे फैमिली मेंबर्स? एक्चुअली मैंने सुना नहीं ठीक से, आवाज क्लियर नहीं थी.
Five, four sisters and one brother.
Try to make full sentences like I have my father, my mother, and
Father,
I
mother,
have four sisters.
one brother and seven sisters. नहीं, अभी तो six है फिलहाल. Six.
Oh,
Hmm.
tell me, Nas, do you love cooking?
No, I don't love cooking
Why?
because it was boring.
It was too boring. Oh,
क्या?
okay.
You can say, Nas, you can say because it seems boring. It seems boring.
It seems boring. It seems
Hmm.
boring.
Oh,
You can
okay.
also say it seems boring to me. House chores seems boring to me or household works or cooking seems boring to me. हाँ, हम हिंदी में कहते हैं ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है मुझे बोरिंग लगता है तो seems आप वहां पे यूज करते हो ओके इट
Yes.
seems boring
It's
to me.
So, Nas, please tell
yeah.
me your favorite dessert name.
My favorite dessert. ऐसा कुछ तो है नहीं अभी. नहीं. No.
Like pastry, some custard, etc.
No.
Now you can
Oh,
say I don't have such favorite choices. I don't have such choices. Okay.
I
ऐसा
don't
जो
have.
आपने कहा ना हिंदी में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है so you can say I don't have such choices.
I don't have such classes.
Okay,
मीन्स
it's
देयर आर
my turn.
मतलब आप किसी भी सेंटेंस को बोलने जाते हो ना बहुत सारे तरीके हैं बोलने के ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने जो बोल दिया बस वही एक है बहुत सारे तरीके आई डोंट हैव सच चॉइसेस एंड आई डोंट कीप सच काइंड ऑफ चॉइसेस आई डोंट हैव सच फेवरेट थिंग्स फेवरेट डिजर्ट्स इन दिस वे ओके अब बहुत सारे वो मेन उस पर ध्यान दो जो आपने कहा कि इस तरह के या ऐसे तो हाँ उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं सच SUCH सच I don't have such choices. I don't have such favorite desserts. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
नाज
And
आपकी
Can I
बर्थडे
ask questions?
आती है?
huh. Now it's turn of Shilpa. She is silent from long
ये
time.
important है.
Now she wants to break the ice. Please, Shweta, ask questions.
Okay. I want to know one by one to everyone. How many members do you have in your family? Uh,
Actually, it's wonderful to ask questions from all. Right?
yes.
Yes, fine.
I have 20 to 22 family members in my home
Okay.
because my family are too big.
Mhm.
Yes.
Exactly. And now try to explain who are they.
Uh, mm, my sorry.
You can start like in my family, there are my
Yeah.
grandfather. Yeah. In
In
my
my
family.
family, there are my grandfather and my
Hmm.
grandmother.
Hmm.
Also, one khala, one aunt,
Hmm.
eh, and 10 to 12 childrens.
Hmm. 10 to 12. All right.
या अल्लाह
सभी
etc.
आपके साथ ही रहते हैं?
Yes.
Okay.
Shweta, you would say that they all live with you.
Lived with you. Okay.
No.
Yes.
Live. They all live
Live
with
with
you.
you.
Hmm.
Yes.
The correct
Now
will be
it's
do they all live with you? Okay. Do they all live with you?
okay.
Okay.
Do they all live with
Do
you?
they all live with you?
Yes.
Do they all live? Live.
Now,
Live. First form. Verb first form. Do they all live with you?
do they all live with you?
Yes.
Exactly. Yes, they
Now
all live with
Ishaq's
me.
turn.
Yes, they all live with me.
Okay. Now Ishaq. Now it's your turn. It's your turn, Ishaq.
यस पूछो दोबारा अगेन क्वेश्चन पूछो श्वेता
How many members do you have in your family?
my family member 5 I have a 5 family members
No, I have 5 members in my family.
I have a 5 member in family no brother
मतलब
6
members, listen, Ishaq. Members means the person, the individual person, the separated person that you have in your family, like your father, mother, brother, sister. They all are one by one member. And when you will accumulate all the people, जब एक जगह सबको जमा करोगे, तो they all will call ये family. Okay, they all will together call family. So you would say I have 5 members in my family.
I have 5 member in my family
Who are they?
I have my father and my mother my 2 brothers
You
and
can start. You can start in this way. In my family, there are my father, my mother, and I have 2 brothers.
yes I my family कैसे बताया था आपने
In my family,
in my family
there are
there are
5 members.
there are 5 members
Hmm.
uh,
My
my
father, my mother.
my father my 2 brothers and my mother and me
Okay, your brothers are elder to you, right? So you can say
yes
I have 2 elder brothers.
yes मेरे दोनों भाई मुझसे बड़े हैं
Yeah. So you would say I have 2 elder brothers and I am the younger one.
ओके आई कैसे बोलना है
I have 2 elder brothers
I have a 2 elder brothers
and
and
I am the younger one.
I have a younger one
I
I
am
am I
I
am the
am the younger
one. One.
one. One.
Yes. Yes. All right. Now, whose turn now? Is it going to Wasim,
Wasim.
I think?
It's my turn.
So, lead your
So
turn now.
in my family, there are four members.
Hmm.
My father, my mother. I have a younger brother and myself. Me.
Okay, so so you are the elder one.
I am the elder one.
All right. So a small family. Oh my god. Only four. Like we are 2 hours too. Nice. Azra. I expected from Azra that she will give us laugh.
Now it's my
Like,
turn.
oh yeah, we forgot Shweta.
No, your turn, Asha.
Yeah.
My turn. Oh, I am also included here.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
my the members are very same like Ishad. I have also five members in my family. My father, mother, and I have two elder brothers and no sister. I'm very alone in the context of sister, and yeah, I'm the younger one.
I also alone in the context of sisters. In my home, in my own home and Nani's home.
Granny is home, you can say.
So yeah, granny's home.
Okay, so now it's turn of Shweta.
Okay. Uh,
And
I live. I lived in a joint family. I live in a joint family.
I
Okay.
also.
There are 30 members in my family.
Oh my god. 30
Me.
members. Okay.
Me.
Because my grandfather and also his brothers, they there are five brothers, and all are living here.
Hmm. Okay, so tell me about means your basic members, like your father, mother, and how many sisters and brother do you have?
Okay, I have only one brother,
Hmm.
and he's younger than me.
Okay.
And my father is five brother. Um,
My father
elder
my father
has
has five brothers.
five brother,
Hmm.
and first one was dead.
Okay.
Okay, second is my father,
You would say
and
first one, the elder one. No, the eldest one has died. The eldest one has died.
the eldest one was dead, and second one is my father, and
Okay.
I have three uncles, and um, one is army officer. He's CRPF.
Hmm.
Is posted on Jammu Kashmir,
Hmm.
and one uncle lived with us,
Hmm.
and one one another
I'm not getting your
uncle
voice.
lived with my grandmother
Hmm.
at our.
Shweta, your voice is breakdown.
And
Yeah, Shweta, your voice is breaking down in between.
uh, or
Shweta's voice not clear.
Shweta, some network issues.
Shweta is facing network issues. Shweta's voice is breaking again and again.
अभी रिसेंटली हमारे घर पे मतलब अभी कुछ दिन पे मतलब 25 तारीख को हमारे घर में एंगेजमेंट है. एक और मेंबर बढ़ जाएगा फिर
Yeah, and it will be multiply again and again actually after the marriage.
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. So actually, my very inquisitive question is from you that you like all the 30 members live in the same single house or like
Yes, single house. Single.
say I am the elder one. I am the
I
elder
am
one.
the elder one. Yes.
जो सबसे बड़े हैं वो बोलेंगे आई एम द एल्डर वन, जो सबसे छोटा है वो आई एम द यंगर वन. ओके.
Okay, okay.
I think the conversation class should be like today. Are you all agree with it?
Yes.
Yes.
Like give me the votes who are agree with it. The conversation class should be like this, like today.
I think ये
Yes, I'm agree.
I
जो
agree.
हमने
हेजिटेशन दूर हो जाएगी बिकॉज एक दूसरे के बारे में ही पूछना है तो क्वेश्चन ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है और आंसर भी पता ही है हमें.
Yeah, like actually we are together from I think 2nd of February, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we are together from 2nd of February, but today we got the chance to know each other very clearly
Yes.
and from very nearly.
Yes.
So I think after some time these are all our question will be like old for all of you. So after that we will take some other topics for discussion. But I think I don't keep 3 or 4 out of you like on mute mic or 2 hours speaking. It will be kind of boring, I guess.
Yes.
दोनों मुझे
Yeah.
लगता है कि ये देखते रह सकते
कैन
हैं.
आई सजेस्ट समथिंग?
Yes,
भी
please.
Yes, please.
हमारे भाग्य के आप कुछ सजेस्ट करें.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हमारा
Please,
भाग्य
Shweta,
आपसे
please.
बना.
Shweta, please add
हाँ
something.
तो मैं कह रही थी कि मतलब आप ना हर कन्वर्सेशन के डेट पे एक टॉपिक लेकर आए, जैसे कि आज स्टडी के ऊपर बात करना है या फिर आज फेवरेट फूड के ऊपर बात करना है या फेवरेट ड्रामा के ऊपर, ऐसा. तो मतलब ये
या
सही
फिर
रहेगा तो
favorite
सब बोल
festival,
सके.
anything.
And I think
हाँ
it would be better that if I would give chance to all of you that you can choose your best topic to discuss on that, and the vote will be go on. Okay, जिसका वोट ज्यादा होगा जो भी आपका फेवरेट आप लोग डिसाइड कर सकते हो. It will be
हाँ
totally
आप
up to
ग्रुप
you.
में पोल बना देना, हम डिसाइड कर लेंगे.
हाँ,
Because
ये भी सही है.
like the topic will be more fascinating for you, so after that you all will take interest, okay, upon that topic. If I would choose any topic, so I would take my interest like what I like. All right, but if you all are going to choose, then it would be better for all of you because you have to do the discussion and I have to just
Yes.
listen to all of you. So it
अच्छा
should
मैं
be for,
यहाँ पे कुछ कहूँगा.
yeah, Ishaq, please.
आपने हमें सिर्फ ये बता देना है कि आज इस चीज के ऊपर डिस्कस करनी है तो आगे हमारा काम है कि कैसे करनी है, क्या करना है.
नहीं वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ ना कि आप लोग टॉपिक भी देख लो जो जैसे कि श्वेता ने भी कहा लाइक स्टडी के ऊपर या फेवरेट डिश या अबाउट किसी जर्नी के ऊपर या अबाउट फेवरेट पोएट, अबाउट फेवरेट एक्टर एक्ट्रेस, अबाउट फेवरेट फिल्म, एनीथिंग दैट व्हाटएवर यू वांट, सो यू ऑल कैन चूज इट. ओके,
मतलब या तो हम दो दो बंदे करेंगे या एक सब बोलना शुरू हो जाते हैं फिर कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. दो दो बंदे करेंगे.
और इससे क्या होगा कि आप लोग थोड़ा प्रिपेयर भी रहोगे. जब आप लोगों को मालूम रहेगा द टॉपिक, इफ यू नो द टॉपिक देन यू वुड बी आल्सो प्रिपेयर फ्रॉम बिफोर हैंड. ओके,
ओके.
Wasim, please would you like to include something?
हाँ मैं कहना चाहूँगा पोल कर देने से अच्छा होगा व्हाट्सएप पर.
हाँ मैं भी
मतलब
यही कह रही
एक
थी.
एक पहले से एक आइडिया मिल जाए कि आज इस चीज के ऊपर बात
ज्यादा
होगा
वोट
तो
किसको मिला
माइंड
है.
वोट किसको मिला है और
एग्री.
क्या नाम है पहले से पता रहे कि इस चीज के ऊपर होने वाला है तो कुछ माइंड में पहले से प्रिपेयर कर सकता है या कर सकते हैं हम लोग. जैसे यहाँ पर आने से सोच म्यूट है आप. आसिया आप म्यूट है.
वसीम आपने बहुत अच्छी बात की है, मैं एग्री करता हूँ आपके साथ.
Sorry, Wasim. Uh, in this way, we will continue with our discussion. Like today, it was very easy for us to do the conversation because it is very basic question that we are asking from anyone about yourself, about your
Yes.
family. Yeah. But from the next time, if we are going to choose any new topic, so
बट
there would be
मुझे और अजरा को डिसएडवांटेज मिला, मतलब ज्यादा
about
एडवांटेज
what?
मिल गया हमें, क्योंकि रीड करना पड़ा हमें, तो वो भी एक हो गया हमारी प्रैक्टिस.
Mhm.
यस.
Okay. From the next time, you're not going to get that.
No,
नहीं, पर ये अच्छा था.
अच्छा था.
The conversation was good.
Yes.
Okay. So
We
from the
enjoy.
next time, I would also bring this kind of conversation, and also we will keep some open conversation. Like right now, the thing we are doing, it is open conversation, like open quiz, open to all. So this is kind
Okay.
of open discussion, and I will also bring some conversation. Okay, like those conversation will actually help you to form sentences, to remind you about some idioms, phrases. Okay, about some new vocabulary. So
Yeah.
that is also very useful. Like
मुझे
must
एक
see.
Yes.
क्वेश्चन था, अ,
Hmm.
कि मतलब आप कुछ इडियम्स जो हैं वो हमें मतलब ऐसे कन्वर्सेशन के टाइम बताए, ताकि हम मतलब उसको यूज करना सीख सके. जैसे अ पीस ऑफ केक, बहुत इजी, इस तरीके से मतलब हम थोड़ा बात कर पाए उस पे भी, और वो सीख जाएंगे हम पे. मुझे इसमें बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है हमेशा,
Hmm.
इसलिए.
Okay. From the next time, I will add it for sure. Okay, like where I can add it in our reading class, it is not possible. In our vocabulary class, I can do that, really. Okay, so like we have decided to bring only 5 vocabulary on our day 3. So I can do one thing, that on day 3 I will bring some idioms as well, like 2 idioms, 2 phrases, and 1 vocabulary in this.
कन्वर्सेशन के टाइम भी हो सकता है.
Sure. Conversation. We can also do that at the time of conversation. Like I can do one thing. Like the conversation, from the next time, I would bring some conversation, and I would try to add some idioms or phrases where we are using any vocabulary. So at the in the place of vocabulary, I would try to use some idioms and phrases. Okay. So through that, you all can get the idioms. Okay. And you can accumulate some you can keep some collection of idioms and phrases as well.
Yes.
Yeah, I have so many, but yeah, you are right here that we have to do some practices. That's why we would be able to use in our day-to-day conversation, right? Okay. Yes, exactly. Like do you know about break the ice? Anyone have idea?
What?
Break the ice.
आंखें गीली करना.
Okay.
नहीं,
Okay.
हाँ,
Yes.
आई थिंक मतलब
Yes.
हाँ. नो
What does
मैंने
it
नहीं
mean?
सुना.
Break the ice.
The
आंखें
eyes.
तोड़ना.
Wasim, do you have any idea?
चुप्पी तोड़ना, मतलब
आंखें तोड़ना.
नहीं,
No,
आंखें
it's
तोड़ना
not
नहीं.
ice.
वो
It's
break
ice.
the ice.
ICE ice. ICE ice. Break the ice.
ब्रेक आइस
मैं
मतलब
बोलूं.
बर्फ तोड़ना.
बर्फ तोड़ना भाई.
No, someone
मैं
told
बोलूं.
me that chuppi torna. It's like, yeah, break the silence. Okay.
Okay.
यस.
Like I have seen some situation most of the time when it would be kind of filmy. Okay. It would be kind of filmy. Like the time when like for marriage purpose, a boy and a girl meet at the first time, so there was silence. All right, like who is going to say first, who is going to speak something. So that is the time of, and whenever like a boy is starting or maybe a girl is starting, so it means the girl or boy is breaking the ice.
कैन आई गिव अ एग्जांपल.
Of course, there are so many examples.
At the time of starting our conversation, we are break the ice.
We broke the ice. It has
We
been
broke
passed.
the
The
ice.
time has been passed, so we broke the ice. And yeah, most of the time when I bring vocabulary and I give the task to make a story, so at the time I also feel that our environment is full of silence and डर का माहौल हो जाता है बहुत ज्यादा. So at that time also uh, one or two of out of you just to break the ice. Hmm. And you know about I'm in blues. Do you know its meaning? I'm in blues.
No.
No.
समझ नहीं आ
Okay.
रहा
Hmm. I'm in blues. BLU, like it's color idiom. BL. I'm so sorry. My throat has so many problems. I'm in blues. BLUES blues. So
No,
if I
because you speak so loud and also all time you speak.
Take some medicine.
Uh, like from my morning time till night, I have to just speak, I have to just say. Like I also read books, so out loud. I read books out loud. I repeat some sentences and I do some riyaz and it is, I know it is new for all of you, but I do some riyaz, so
I
it is
know.
also, yes, yeah. So in riyaz, we also have to use so many use means our vocal, okay, and very out loud vocal like sa re ga, all that. And I should give some rest to my throat, but I'm doing this. I think cruelty with my some cruel behavior with my throat. I don't know what it would do with me. Okay, I'm in blues. If I would like to give some example, then yeah, Wasim wants to enjoy in his life. Sorry, I was saying in her life. So Wasim wants to enjoy in his life so much at as um, this is month of February is going on, and Wasim wants to enjoy his life so much. But as his schedule are very hectic, so he is in blues. Can you guess it?
This month is also special. It's my birth month. Yesterday
What?
was my birthday.
Oh
Oh,
wow.
Oh, happy birthday again,
Happy
advance.
birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
no, it's yesterday, past
Yesterday,
day.
past day, 12th of February.
Yes.
Oh,
Happy
yesterday was
blessed
your birthday.
birthday.
Hmm.
Happy blessed birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
belated birthday to you. चलो असरा इसके लिए थोड़ा गाना गा दो यार साथ में सब मिलके बार बार देंगे. Okay. In blues, actually, it means sad. If I would say I'm in blues, it means I'm sad.
और किसी का बर्थडे है अभी आने जाने वाला?
नहीं.
बताया नहीं किसी ने अपना बर्थडे. इशाक ने पूछा था.
Yeah. Shweta, tell me your birthday date.
It's 24th October.
Oh,
Oh
nice.
my god, October is the month of wisdom, people. Like whoever born in October, they are very wisdom.
Nice.
अक्टूबर में पैदा होने वाले मासूम होते हैं.
Oh,
It's too much
फरवरी का
innocent.
कुछ है क्या? इसाक फरवरी का क्यों है भाई?
फरवरी का क्या?
And Nas?
Tell me your birthday one by one.
Hmm.
Azra,
Yes,
Ishaq,
please.
Naz,
All of you.
also
Yes.
Ashia.
Oh, my birthday.
Asya's date of birth is 10th May.
Yes, 10th May.
Okay.
नहीं, आशिया का तो मुझे पता था 10th में ही है.
And Nas, please tell me. Hello.
Nas. Nas. Hello. I think she has been slept
Ashia,
now.
it's
Yes.
9:50 p.m.
9:50.
Yeah, I was about to end the meeting, but you all are just spinning the question again and again. What can I do now?
Okay, विनर अनाउंस करना बाकी है.
All right, all right. It has been very late. Means today I decided that I would start sharply at 8 p.m. and I would end a bit early. Not like not
बट
like every day.
8 p.m. स्टार्ट हो चुका था. I think 8:05 से
Yes,
हो गया था.
Yeah.
I
Actually,
also joined 8
I
p.m.
really love to do the conversation with all of you. I really enjoy this moment. So I can feel that the time just passes and I am unable to like catch the time. The
Today we
time
are too much enjoy in online classes.
Yes.
actually it's while the discussion.
श्वेता ने क्या
Okay.
बताया बर्थडे?
24th October.
24th October. Okay.
24 October.
आपका?
So
मेरा
tomorrow
21 नवंबर है.
the class of grammar. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow it would be the class of grammar because yesterday I was not available there. And I would try my best to bring something interesting for tomorrow that would be full of some activity, and also we will learn a lot of